I'm here today to show you how to replace the bad LCD screen in a laptop. In this case, my daughter's new laptop, and she broke the screen already. She's only had this for a few months. But this is what happens. It's not the end of the world, and we'll figure this out. And here we have an Acer E15 laptop. It's actually model number ES1-511-C59V. And don't be fooled by how easy I make this look. I serve ice cream at the local Dairy Queen for my job. So this is a new experience for me. Okay, first of all, we're going to snap off the front cover. I already started this a little bit here, so I'm going to very carefully. Kind of sounds like it might break, but it's seeming easy enough. Now you'd think on these, one of the steps would be to disconnect the battery, but in this case, this laptop has an internal battery that is not, you can't take it out, it's non-replaceable. Okay, so I'm totally winging this because we didn't find the right video to view online, so I'm seeing screws that need to be undone. I'm going to just start unscrewing things and see what happens. Okay. There's one, and I'm going to put all my screws in this little cover so I don't lose them. They're very tiny screws.
Maybe the screws that were right in that little spot.
Right there. And now down here it looks like there's 3, so I don't know, I'm just going to take them all out. Not that bad. Kind of hard to grip. These are really tiny screws, so you can't lose one, because you'd probably never be able to find one to replace it. Okay, we got those screws almost out. Alright, screws all removed. Now I'm going to try to pry the screen out of here. It still seems like something is holding it.
What about that one?
So that was my helper giving me some advice right there. Okay, so this looks a little bit more difficult than the videos I've seen, but
oh, it's going.
Okay, that one did detach it from the back here.
That black screw right here.
And that was
right.
My daughter Audrey's idea.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. So, hi guys.
Howdy, howdy.
We're in the middle of a video
go.
now. Okay.
Can you grab this? Mom, can you grab the screen? It's in that room. The little room.
Okay, so what this looks like here, we're going to have to unscrew the screws on the side here to get this out.
Oh, the screw's right there.
And these are different size. So I'm going to keep these separate here. Oh, and that's doing it. Oop. Yeah, you don't want to lose the screws.
Ooh. That's kind of scary to see it like that. It's making me sad.
Okay.
Hello, you old lady. How are you?
Oh.
Dad. Oh, I found it. Don't move.
Okay. Lay that down there. Okay. Now.
Dad, just don't unplug
Okay,
it.
let's see. The new one looks like here.
Dad, just don't unplug it. This little tape thing, unplug that.
Okay, I think the better way of doing it would be to get this up there.
Hey, you.
Oh, I see. That's a very fragile cable. So let's put this up and in.
I hope you have two.
Okay.
What are you doing? Is that the new screen?
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Paris. Hot items.
Hey, do you want to screw the screws in? Use the screwdriver. I'll hold it in place.
Okay.
I got you one.
Yeah, how about this? Okay. Watch it.
You lost it, honey. You shouldn't have put it down.
Okay, my photographer.
So I just finished screwing up all these 3 holes again, but with the new screen this time. And that's all we've done so far to put it in.
Okay. We got that part done. Now this looks like a little
This is the old
meticulous
screen.
part here to get the cable off the old screen. Looks like a piece of tape holding it on.
Dad, oh, it doesn't look good, Dad. Don't do that.
Oh, you gotta swallow it whole? You gotta.
Not a very good system, but
It's not really meant for breaking the screen.
yeah, it really wasn't designed, yeah, to be.
Crap.
Yeah. This is what keeps technicians in bit.
Dad! Did it break?
Oh, that's just sound effects.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That was it.
Okay, so we just lifted that little
Old screen
thing
out,
up.
new screen in.
Is that all?
Okay.
That was easy.
It looks like a tight fit around this corner. How in the heck did that fit on the other one?
It just kind of connected.
Oh, because
The little metal things talk to each other.
That was, I will not say. So I put it through there and say, I'm leaving for work and 4 times happened. So there you go. So,
oh, because this is going to be up higher when you.
and he keeps staring at me. And like, time's up. And I put it on the stove and I leave for work.
Oh,
Have it
otherwise
lined
you-
up.
Oh, yeah. So you gotta line up the little prong things,
And I'd say,
and then
need it? And Matthew was long.
tape it. Should we get more tape, or is that good? Do you think?
No, some say you could use a different piece of tape, but that tape still has sticky on it. I'd say it's pretty good. Okay, now
done?
we raise the panel back up. And let's get this baby back together.
If we knew what we were doing, this video could have been like a minute.
And then
Okay.
it's like,
Alright.
yep, I'm leaving, so I put it up. So the way I usually do
I
it.
guess the
Oh,
first
yeah.
two screws I'm going to put on are those two little black screws.
My game with her is I throw it all over the floor. Take a handful, throw it, and then she doesn't even know I'm leaving. She sits and eats for 12 minutes right then and then peace. So by about the first week, I'd throw it on the
It'd
floor.
really be helpful if you had tiny little hands to do this.
I have tiny hands.
And he
This might be a
would
good
so
side
excited.
business for you one day, Audrey.
He'd be right in there grabbing everything
Okay.
he could get. So we changed his ways.
Yeah, well, when he went home,
Then he went home, he's like, you wouldn't believe what I had to do over there.
I'm just kind of getting that wire back on there, so.
Annie.
Okay. Now all these other screws.
Can I take off this little thing so that when we put this back on, it doesn't like get stuck?
Sure.
Wait.
She just sucked it up and that was it?
That was it.
Oh my God. Oinky.
That's so confusing. I don't get this.
This is your dog's surgery.
$2,000.
Oh my goodness.
How old is he?
Okay. One screw.
How'd she do it?
Wow, that was
Finally,
nice.
Snow. It snowed and she was so excited. She was jumping and jumping like a puppy.
Pretty easy.
Oh, that's too bad, yeah. Oh my goodness.
But I guess it's common in, where she took over the tree.
Oh,
Then she had to go to therapy.
cool.
I was kidding, and I was thinking, Maria, oh, maybe he's gonna take her to therapy. Yes. I said, you're kidding. She said, no, they just started.
Two more screws to go. We're looking good here.
What if it doesn't work? I'm gonna cry.
Right, right.
Last screw. Okay, last step is to snap this bezel back on.
Not a good
Did you
thing.
get that word from other videos? Or do you know what it was before?
I know.
I do have a confession to make. Like I said, I only serve ice cream at a Dairy Queen, but I did stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night. Okay, snap back on, looking good.
And then now turn it on.
Okay, this is it. Ta-da!